day to you and how you be, everybody. It's Jan Agosto here and welcome to Taino Inc. Whoa, man. Woo. Hope all of you had a fantastic and blessed Christmas. And from me and the Taino Inc. family, we want to wish you a happy new year. This 2020 is going to be really good. A lot of blessings and business is going to be booming. Let me tell you, it's going to be booming. The reason why is that for the past 5 years, we as screen printers, we know what is a dead month. A dead month is a month that really business is completely slow. Not slow, but really slow, that we call it dead. It's like, and December is one of them, because I understand people are shopping for the family, they're wasting the money somewhere else. They're not gonna be doing there's not a lot of events in December, especially here in New York. There's no events. And this December, wow, man. I am shocked. What a great month, man. It surprised me. It was busy. It was so busy I couldn't even upload for 3 weeks. I couldn't upload. That's how busy it's gotten, you know? So, hey, you know, 2020 is going to be a good year. That's how I feel it. Because when your business starts making money on months that are dead months. I remember when I was working, it was like 6 out of the year. 6 months out of the year was dead months. It was very slow. And now only have become 2, which is December and January. And last year, January was a good year. So pretty good. I can't complain. Now, let's get to the topic. We want to talk about printing hats. When it comes to printing hats, us screen printers think that because everybody wants hats embroidered, and that's not true. If you don't have an embroidery machine, you still could sell hats. It's all about you. If you're a salesman, you have to put it out there. Somebody ordering shirts, tell them I also do hats, screen printed hats, and they'll go for it. Believe me, they'll go for it. And the thing I noticed was when I started printing hats, I used to use the heat press and heat transfer. Not good. Used to leave me a mark on the hat. It was not good. I tried the transfer plastisol paper, which is very good if you get it down packed where you could know your curing time, you're on the money. But when I did it, oh my God, there was so many hats I messed up. Every time I peel off, there was some parts that the ink didn't come out because when I flashed it, it overcured. So that's not gonna transfer to the apparel. So it's okay to mess up a shirt, but to mess up a hat, we're talking about $4 hats. That's not working here. So I let that go. So then I bumped into the Hat Champ. I'm not being sponsored by them. Believe me, I'm not being sponsored by them, but let me tell you, what a great investment. It's only about $150. Check it out, hatchamp.com. You're gonna find it. The Hat Champ. The Hat Champ is really nice. It has 2 little pads. It has one solid and one with the seam in the middle, so you could put the part of the 6-panel hat, the seam, where it won't mess up your print. It's nice and flat. It has that. But what I use is only 3 hats that I have used this year, because this year I have printed a lot of hats, and that's why I want to make this video, because it's really good when you not only printing shirts. There's another little thing you could try to sell, and it helps your profit margin at the end of the year, and hats is one of them. But when it comes to printing hats, when I ended up with the Hat Champ, I was trying to put that hat in it, and it was hard, it was not flat. I just didn't know. The trick with these hats, I only use 3. Let's go with the 3 that I use. I use the Yupon snapback hat. And they look like trucker hats, but they're not really trucker hats. There's no foam in it. They look more like fitted caps, official. Look beautiful, because a lot of screen printers think that if I'm gonna print a hat, it has to be a trucker hat with that foam, and I don't like that at all. But these are the 3 hats that I used this year, which they are great hats, and I want to share this with you so you can know what hats to print. First, they all come from Yupon snapbacks. Awesome. One has the mesh on the back, and it's called a 5-panel hat because so you could print and there's no seam in the middle. The other one is the same style hat but without the mesh, and it's full, and it's a little more expensive, but it's the same thing, and it doesn't have the mesh, but it has the snapback. Great. The other one, which I'm surprised I have printed so many of these, is the dad's hat. It's a 6-panel hat, but it has the seam in the middle. So, but what I love about it is that the seam in the middle is not that thick. That once you put that on the hat champ and use the pad that has that to put in the seam in the middle where it keeps it nice and flat, it works perfectly with this hat champ. The other thing is that what type of ink should I use on these type of hats? Remember, these type of hats are mixed with polyester, cotton, and some are nylon. So the best thing to do is to go with poly ink. I use the Wilflex Epic Poly White, which is a great ink for these hats. So if you ever want to start getting into hats, do it. Now I'm gonna show you a little video of how to print them. Like I said, what you do with these hats is you put them in the conveyor dryer, let them run out, come out, and you'll be able to put them in the hat champ, and they nice and soft. And once they come out, you'll be able to put them back to its form. It's not gonna lose its form. It's still gonna look good. So use this method, and believe me, you'll be able to print some hats. So now let's do this. There it is. That's how you print these hats. Same method. Make sure you're in the conveyor dryer, soften them up, print them up, use the poly ink. You will have no issues, and it's great for adding another revenue into your screen printing business. If you like this video, press that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. May God bless you all. Be grateful, and peace out.